Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to whiteboard in Confluence using draw.io. This is a fantastic way to create visual diagrams, flowcharts, and collaborative boards directly within your Confluence pages, making it easier to brainstorm ideas and map out processes with your team. First, you'll want to navigate to your Confluence website and open the page where you'd like to add your whiteboard. This could be any existing page or a new one you've created specifically for diagramming. Once you're on that page, you'll use a simple command to insert the draw.io board. On the page, type /draw in the text area. This will bring up a menu of options, and from there, click on draw.io board. This instantly creates a whiteboard canvas right within your Confluence page, giving you a dedicated space to start designing your diagrams. Now that you're on the whiteboard, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a collection of simple shapes that are ready to use. These are your basic building blocks for creating diagrams. You can either click on a shape to add it or simply drag it directly onto the whiteboard canvas. This makes it quick and intuitive to start building your visual content. There's another handy way to add shapes as well. If you double-click anywhere on the whiteboard itself, a menu will pop up, allowing you to select a shape you want to add. This method is especially useful when you're working quickly and want to keep your workflow smooth without constantly reaching for the sidebar. If you find that the default shapes aren't quite enough for what you're creating, you can expand your options. Click the plus icon on the left side of the screen, then select Shapes. This opens up a much wider library of shapes and icons, giving you more flexibility and creative control over your whiteboard design. With more shape options now available, you have a richer set of tools to work with. Whether you need specific symbols, connectors, or specialized diagram elements, this expanded library has you covered. Browse through and select whatever fits your project best. Once you've added the shape to your whiteboard, you can personalize it by adding a label or text. Simply double-click on the shape itself and a text field will appear, allowing you to type in your desired text. This is perfect for labeling steps, adding descriptions, or identifying different parts of your diagram. After you've labeled your shapes, it's time to connect them. Click on any shape and you'll notice small arrows appearing around its edges. These arrows are your connection points. Just click on one of these arrows and drag it to another shape and they'll automatically connect with a line or arrow. This visual link helps show relationships, workflows, or sequences in your diagram. Now, just repeat these steps until you've finished creating your entire diagram on the whiteboard. Add shapes, label them, connect them, and organize them in a way that makes sense for your project. The flexibility of draw.io makes it easy to adjust and refine your design as you go. And that's it. You've successfully created a whiteboard in Confluence using draw.io, turning complex ideas into clear, visual diagrams. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.